Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Walmart pickup workflows to reduce time waste. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Walmart pickup workflows, start by accessing your Walmart account. Navigate to the settings menu in your dashboard. Select the pickup options from the list provided. Review the current pickup workflow settings. Identify any bottlenecks or inefficiencies in the existing setup. Adjust the order processing times to better match your workflow capabilities. Incorporate real-time inventory management to ensure accurate stock levels. Set up alerts for low inventory to prevent order delays. Establish criteria for priority orders to expedite processing during busy times. Train your staff on new pickup procedures to enhance efficiency. Implement a customer communication system to provide updates on order status. Use data analytics tools to track pickup efficiency metrics. Regularly review and update your workflows based on feedback and performance data. Consider scheduling peak hours for pickups to streamline customer traffic. Optimize your store layout for smoother customer flow during pickups. Always assess customer feedback to identify areas for improvement. Maintain clear and concise documentation for staff training purposes. Continue to refine the process over time to maximize efficiency. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce time waste in your Walmart pickup workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.